What's up, guys? Today, I'm determined to clean up that engine bay. Yesterday, I took a day off because my daughter was really sick, so I had to take care of her. And today, I'm gonna take care of this car. I'm gonna get that engine bay as clean as possible. Um, I will have to move this car out, and I'm thinking I will move this car to this side, have this side open for now, and then who knows, maybe I'll switch the whole car, maybe I'll turn it around, and then I'll have it on this side. So we'll see. I'm gonna clean up and then get everything going. Alright guys, so this is the brush set I bought from Harbor Freight. It's like $1.99. You get the steel, brass, and nylon ones. All good for cleaning the subframe. And I don't actually know how I'm going to do it, but I think I'm just going to destroy this bucket here. I bought it at Walmart for like $2. I'm just going to say that that is the grease bucket now. Gonna go through this and just detail everything slowly with maybe a towel, a brush, and some water. We'll see how it goes.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so as you guys saw, with just the steel brush, I was able to get the thick layer of gunk, grease, and grime off the cross member. Looks really good. It's shiny because it's still oily, but as long as there's no real grime on it, I'm okay with that. I might not even wash it down, since I don't really have that resource, and it's not available to me right now because I can't do it in my garage. But maybe I'll leave it like this for now. It's sort of presentable in a fashion that it's not going to take too much more to get it clean. I'm going to clean these rails, both of these rails, and then the firewall itself. Clean all that, and then maybe go under the subframe and try to get all that grime off as well, and then we'll keep on moving. Alright, let's take a break from that, and I took this one off already. Just bent the tabs here all the way backwards. Put an adjustable pipe wrench. Just take it off that way. Let's do this one. Take the vice grip. Bend it a little bit. Bend it a little bit. That hurt. That. Same thing on this side. So I was able to remove the two inner tie rods, and that was a pain because this side was pretty locked on, and so I had to heat this shaft just a little bit, and then it came off. But sanded it down using some maple jelly rust dissolver, and then I'm gonna paint it. Wasn't going to initially, but I'm already this far into it, might as well. Nice and rustless, rust-free, clean. I'm gonna wipe it down with some wet paper, and then wet paper towel, and then I'll dry it off and then paint it. Light coats. Just water. Okay. I'm gonna use the heat gun and give it one little shot and make sure everything's dry, and I'll come right back. So I'm out of primer. I'm just gonna spray it. First I'll tape it off. Then we'll tape off this side as well. Alright. Let me shake this up and I'll be right back. Shake the bottle, not your body. Keep going. Okay. Alright, so it's nice and shook. Shaking, shook. And do a light spray. It's really cold out here. I'm gonna, between every spray, I'm gonna just lightly heat gun it. Move, baby. You're gonna get spray painted. Nope. Get out this way. Come this way. Come back this way. Right back. That's it. I'm gonna heat it one more time, then we're good.
Yes.
Alright, so there you have it. Nice and dry. The enamel is hard. If you spray it between every layer, you throw a little heat over it between every layer, it dries really nice. And it keeps the enamel nice and flat because the pressure of the air is blown on it a little bit. It's not a exact science, but it works for me. Let's see how this looks. Let me rip this open. There it is. My painted rack.
806.
Nice and dry. No more rust. No more ugly paint. And should be ready to receive the new inner outer tie rods, which I should receive today. If I do, I'll install the whole the two ends, and then wait for my package to come in, and then we'll install the whole rack. Thanks for watching. Let's go back to the engine bay.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Alright, so without having the ability to wash it, I think this is the best I can get right now. Took off all the thick layer of grime on the cross member. It's not perfect, but before you couldn't even see the metal. It was like caked on. There was a large layer of caked grease on this side as well. The front A-arms are clean. But like I said, this is enough for me to be comfortable installing the engine and then maybe pressure washing it after I get it running. I haven't been able to clean this side yet, but I think I'm gonna end it there and maybe pick it up if I get my end tie rods today. I'll go ahead and put a video up on how I install those. And then that should be that. And as far as these go, I ordered a whole new set of those, so they should be coming soon. I haven't got the confirmation number yet, but hopefully soon. I'm so excited. Let's go look at my rack. Where the heck did I put my rack? Oh, there it is. Gotta re-grease them once I get everything installed, and it should be good. Nothing's damaged. All the splines are good, nice and dry, looking pretty. Looking pretty. Would I recommend you guys getting into this? Heck yes, do it, so I don't have to suffer alone. It's a passion, man. This is so cool. It's weird they don't have a boot around this. Maybe they do, I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell all your homies, hit that bell button so you get the notifications. I try to upload every day. I'll probably skip a day here or two, a day or two here or there, but I hope that I hope I get big, and I hope I'm able to do this for a living. This is what I really want to do, so I'm gonna start pushing for this. And it's cold out here in San Diego today, but it's beautiful. Look at that beautiful sky. Alright guys, take it easy. Let me get my... Man, fingers crossed I ordered the right parts. I am not an expert. I don't do this every day. There they are. Looks right, looks right, looks right. Made in Japan. You see that? Made in Japan. It's gotta be a good sign, right? Made in Japan. And then let's go put it on the ground. Looks right. There it is. I think I ordered the right parts, yo. It's always sad when you're not sure of yourself, but I think this part right here is where you find quality is different. There's like a ball joint or whatever in some, and some don't have it. Doesn't look like it. It doesn't seem like it moves. Oh, it does. Just really good, really new. Oh, that's it, broskies. This right here will go in between there, and we'll lock it in once we get it tightened. And that's all she wrote. We'll leave that for tomorrow so I have content. Thanks for watching, guys. Screw it. I'm too excited. Let's put this together. Alright, so that's it. Fully put back together. If you're looking straight at the engine bay, it'll be this way. One will go here, one will go here. Let's measure it. That's good, perfect. About an inch short, and that's kind of what we were looking at before. We'll check both these threads so that they're evenly in there. Let's go a little more. So here it is, outer tie rod, inner tie rod, 2 bolts, clamp, boot, grease, hold on, clamp. Same for the other side. Distance, length, width wise is perfect. I was worried about not being able to order the correct ones, but these are good. What sucks is one of these bolts didn't come with, one of these outer tie rods didn't come with this bolt, so I swapped both of them for just hardware that I had laying around. They don't have a crush washer, but they should be fine. Use a little Loctite on them, or I'll just probably go buy another bolt that matches the other one with the lock washer, and then a crush lock washer. And then they also come with cotter pins, so I want to throw it in the car right now, but there really isn't a point in it. Maybe I will. I don't know. I get ahead of myself. Super exciting. Manual rack. Here I come. There it is. There it is. Completely assembled. Ready to drop in. Rebuilt. Not really rebuilt. Completed manual rack, because the inside's still the same. MK3 Supra intermediate shaft you guys saw from a previous video. AW11 knuckle, AW11 manual rack, AE86 inner outer tie rods, brand new little joints. OEM AW11 boots. They both extend and contract perfectly. I have it right kind of in the middle. There it is, guys. That's everything you need to be able to throw it into your AE86. This shaft will be long enough. To reach your steering joint, steering column, and enough adjustments here to be able to get a good alignment. Alright guys, now the video is over. I get ahead of myself. I wanted to throw it in, but oh well. Wait until my stuff comes. Peace out guys, for the second time.